to the Monkey Cooking Channel, where today we're going to be cooking a very tender Gordon Ramsay. First, we have white person. Come here. Get in the bucket. And now we have rude. I swear if you don't get in the bucket. Hey, no ingredient interlocking. Harsh. Come on, Harsh. Get in the bucket. Hey, get my bucket. Hey, what did I say? I like cooking. Yeah, get in the bucket. British, come here. Get in the bucket. And now beef Wellington. Now we will mix our ingredients with the beef Wellington right here. And now we'll check back in 2 minutes to see our Gordon Ramsay. And now we're gonna check on our Gordon Ramsay.
The chicken's raw.
No.